Ever wonder why it feels like you're running on a financial treadmill, working harder and harder, but never getting ahead? You're not alone. This is the money trap, and it's designed to keep most people broke. But today, I'm going to show you how to escape it. The biggest misconception about wealth is that you earn it through a high-paying job. You might think, if I just get that promotion, if I just work a few more hours, I'll be rich. But that's not how the wealthy build their fortunes. The truth is, your salary alone will almost never make you rich. Why? Because the more you earn, the more you tend to spend. A bigger paycheck often leads to a bigger house, a fancier car, and more expensive vacations. This is what we call lifestyle inflation. You're making more, but you're not getting wealthier. You're just upgrading your cage. The real secret isn't how much you earn, but what you do with the money you have. The rich understand a fundamental principle that most people miss. You don't get rich by working for money. You get rich by having your money work for you. This means shifting your focus from earning to owning. The wealthy don't just accumulate paychecks. They accumulate assets. So what's an asset? An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. Think of a business you own, stocks that pay dividends, or rental property that generates monthly income. These are things that make you money even when you're sleeping. On the other hand, a liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. That new car you bought on a loan, that's a liability. The latest smartphone with a monthly payment plan, a liability. Most people spend their lives buying liabilities that they think are assets. They buy a big house to live in, calling it their biggest asset, but it's really their biggest liability, with a mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs draining their bank account every single month. The wealthy play a different game. They use their earned income to buy assets first. They live below their means and aggressively invest the difference. They buy another share of a stock, a piece of a small business, or a down payment on a rental property. Each asset they acquire becomes a new little soldier working to make them more money. This money is then used to buy even more assets. This is the cycle of wealth creation. It's a snowball effect. It starts small, but over time, it grows into an unstoppable avalanche of passive income. So, how do you escape the money trap and start building your own wealth snowball? It starts with a mindset shift. You have to stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like an investor. Here are 3 practical steps you can take right now. First, pay yourself first. Before you pay your bills, before you buy groceries, before you even think about that new gadget, set aside a portion of your income for investing. Even if it's just $50 or $100 to start. The amount is less important than the habit. Automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your investment account every payday. This ensures you're consistently building your asset column without relying on willpower. Second, educate yourself. You don't need a finance degree to become a successful investor. Start reading books about personal finance and investing. Watch videos. Listen to podcasts. Learn the basics of stocks, real estate, and starting a business. The more you know, the more confident you'll become, and the better decisions you'll make. Knowledge is the foundation upon which wealth is built. Don't be afraid of what you don't know. Be excited to learn it. Third, start small and stay consistent. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. With fractional shares, you can buy pieces of major companies for just a few dollars. The key is to start now, no matter how small, and to keep at it. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs in the market, but history has shown that those who stay invested for the long term are the ones who win. Don't try to time the market. Just focus on consistent, disciplined investing over many years. Escaping the money trap isn't about luck or genius. It's about discipline, knowledge, and a simple change in perspective. It's about choosing to buy assets instead of liabilities. It's about making your money work for you, so one day, you won't have to work for it. The path to financial freedom is open to anyone willing to walk it. The choice is yours. If you found this helpful and want more practical advice on building wealth and achieving financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have a lot more to share with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.